All right, guys, so I went ahead and got the traditional gold Amex Gold Card. Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Amex Gold Card. I already have the Rose Gold one, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the traditional Amex Gold Card. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. As a matter of fact, I was able to make over $1,700 using one credit card. So, if this sounds like something which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so like I said in the beginning of this video, I currently have the Rose Gold Amex card. You're looking at that right here. And in this video, I'm gonna unbox the traditional Gold Card from American Express. So if you're interested in getting this particular credit card from American Express, you need to have a credit score of at least 690. So that's 690 or higher before you apply. If you're interested in applying, you can apply by using the link below this video because it helps our channel quite a bit, and you'll actually get 50,000 membership reward points once you complete the minimum spend within the first couple of months. So if you're interested in the new Amex Gold Card, please use the link below this video because it helps our channel quite a bit, and you'll get the 50,000 sign up bonus. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna jump right into the unboxing because I know that's why we're here. So I'll see you over in the unboxing. Okay, so here I am in the Amex Gold Card unboxing. I actually have the Rose Gold Card, which is right here. So you guys will see that. And I'm now going to unbox the traditional Gold Card from American Express. I went ahead and got the regular Gold Card because I'm really vain, and I was like, man, I really want people to know that this is a Gold Card. I don't want people to guess. So I went ahead and got the traditional regular Gold Card. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here. So here's the box that it comes in, of course, as you guys can see. And I'm going to flip it over here and I'm going to open it. Forgive me, I'm having to stand up and do the video. All right, so you open that. It's pretty straightforward. Of course, you got a box here. Not a box, cardboard, whatever this is. I guess I can flip it back around. All right, so it says right there, now you're golden. Of course, I've already done a video unboxing the Rose Gold Amex card, which you guys will be able to, watch if you want to. So that's pretty much it here. Let me go ahead and take this out. All right, so there's an envelope inside here, as you can see. And I'm not sure why they sent me a whole nother welcome kit, but they did. So I guess I'm not complaining. All right, so let me go ahead and take this envelope out. And of course, it's just like it's a welcome kit. It's crazy, like I don't already have this card, but I do. As you can see, the Rose Gold right there at the bottom right of the screen. So I'm opening my card here. Of course, there's a bunch of card member stuff and benefits and whatnot. I'm not really interested in any of this. I mean, we did kind of touch on that. Basically, right here, you're going to have your pay over time credit limit, which mine is not high. Mine's $3,000, which I thought was pretty whack, but this is my first Gold Card. I'm sure that it will increase over time. That's what American Express says. So I guess I will look forward to that. So that's that. And then of course there's a bunch of card member stuff in there. So let me go ahead and open this here and get the card. All right, here's the card. All right, so let me go ahead and get it. And I'm gonna put it next to the Rose Gold so you guys can have a good look at it, because it's hard to compare the two, especially when you don't have them at the same time. So I'm going to, let me see if I can take the sticker off. So already you have a nice little comparison there. The Rose Gold kind of looks copper sometimes, and it looks rose gold like every now and then. So I'm gonna put them side by side so that you guys can see. So give me 1 second, let me pick up the Rose Gold here. All right, pick that up, put it right down, right next to the traditional Gold Card. And there you go. So there you have both credit cards, both Gold Cards from American Express. You got the Amex Rose Gold here on the left, and then you have the traditional gold on the right. So there you go. You have a comparison that you can make by looking at both of these cards. I like both cards. I am used to seeing the Rose Gold because that's the one I got first. So it'll probably take me a while to get used to seeing the traditional gold, but I'm really vain, and that's why I got the traditional gold, because I was like, man, I want everybody to know I have a gold card from American Express. You know, I paid $250 annual fee. So there you go. Let me know in the comments below which one you think is better, which one you like better between the rose gold on the left and the traditional gold on the right. Thanks for watching this portion. I'll see you back in just 1 second. Thank you so much for watching this video about the new Amex Gold Card. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And as a matter of fact, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put some pictures on the screen of the new Amex Gold Card so you can kind of have a look at both cards and kind of decide which one of these cards you're interested in getting. Okay, cool. So let me know in the comments below which one of the cards you think look better or which one of the cards you're interested in getting. If you like the video, like I said, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it useful, please feel free to do so as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel, because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit, credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.